The Affordable Care Act is literally life-saving for my family. I have 3 children. They have a combined 9 autoimmune diseases. But it is primarily type 1 diabetes that's the financial drain and the most immediate threat to their health. Now, my eldest daughter is 22, for example, so she just graduated college. She's working at a paid internship in her dream field, and she's thrilled to have it. But she's only got health insurance because of my coverage through my employer. When the Affordable Care Act was passed, it meant she can stay on our policy until she's 26. If the Affordable Care Act is revoked, she'll probably lose the coverage that she has through my employer, which means she'll have to pay out of pocket for insulin and other expenses that are directly related to keeping her alive. As a parent, you live in absolute dread of being caught in this kind of situation for your kids. When they reach the age that they can no longer be covered by your policy, they face unbelievably difficult choices. If they don't have health insurance through their employer and they don't qualify for Medicaid, they are literally faced with a decision of, can I afford rent, can I afford food, or can I only afford my medication? We're not talking about small amounts, and we're not talking about things that are optional. And so I've lived in fear the last couple years of what would happen to my family if something happened to me. And the reality is that because of the Affordable Care Act, I at least know that no matter what was going to happen to me in the future, my kids would be okay. Some years ago, we were honored by the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, which is the national organization most prominent in trying to find a cure. We met with Senator Portman, we met with Senator Brown, we met with Congressman Teaberry, and we asked them to promise to remember us. We gave each of the senators and Congressman Teaberry a plaque thanking them for their support and their promise to remember these kids in future health care decisions. But the reality is, I haven't heard anything from anyone. I keep waiting for a plan. I keep waiting for a concrete statement. All I'm hearing is that the AHCA is going to be repealed, but no one has ever sat down and say, this is how we're going to make sure it still works for kids like yours.